Hello and welcome to Maths by SARS. This is my 7th lesson of D2, chapter number 6, exercise 6b, that is about addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. In this lesson, I will solve question intermediate level that says express each of the following as fraction in its lowest form. Before going to the lesson, I just want to say that for better understanding of this lesson, you should have command on all types of methods of factorization and midterm breakage. If you find any difficulty in understanding of midterm breakage, you can watch my previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. To make the understanding clear, let's move to first part of the question. First part of the question is 1 over 2p square minus 8p minus 10 plus 2p upon p minus 5. It's always good to rewrite the question, so I've written the question for you. If we look at the denominator of first fraction 2p square minus 8p minus 10, it is the standard quadratic expression, and in order to simplify this part, we need to apply midterm breakage. Another thing, if we look at the coefficients 2, 8 and 10, we can see that we can extract 2 as a common factor. So what I have to do, I have to pull out 2, and I will write 1 over 2 into p square minus 4p minus 5, 2 5s are 10 and close the bracket, plus 2p upon p minus 5. Now, in order to simplify p square minus 4p minus 5, I have to apply midterm breakage or hit and trial method. According to that, I have to multiply a constant, which is minus 5, with the coefficient of the term having part 2. It will become minus 5. Now, I have to make the factors of 5 that can give me minus 4 and minus 5 at the same time. So the suitable factors that can give me minus 5 and minus 4 at the same time are minus 5 plus 1. Now, coming to the question, I will write 1 over 2 into p square minus 5p plus p minus 5, p minus 5, and then I have to close the bracket. Coming to the second fraction, I will be writing it as it is, 2p upon p minus 5. Now, if we look at the denominator of first fraction, it has been divided into 4 terms. Now, I have to make the groups of like terms, and I have to extract some number or letter as a common factor from each group. So, if we look at the first group, 1 over 2 into the first group has p as a common factor, p into p minus 5 plus p minus 5 is the second group. I can extract 1 out, and inside the bracket I will left with p minus 5 and close the bracket, plus 2p upon p minus 5. Now extract the common group. 1 over 2 into p minus 5 is the common group, p minus 5 into p plus 1 plus 2p upon p minus 5. Now, in order to simplify these two fractions, I have to take the LCM, and if you look at both the denominators, this p minus 5 is the common factor here. So LCM of the question will be 2 into p minus 5 into p plus 1, p plus 1. Now, if we are checking the denominator of first fraction, denominator of first fraction and LCM is same, so we are not going to multiply anything with the numerator of this. So we write the numerator, that is 1, as it is. Coming to the second fraction, plus 2p is the numerator, and the denominator of this fraction is p minus 5. It has the deficiency of 2 into p plus 1 multiplied by, so I will be multiplying this numerator with 2 into p plus 1. Now, what we can do, this 2 will be multiplied by 2, and I will have 1 plus 4p into p plus 1 upon 2 into p minus 5, p minus 5 and p plus 1. Now carefully multiply this 4p with every term inside the bracket, and I will have 1 plus 4p square plus 4p. 4p upon 2 into p minus 5 into p plus 1. So the final answer will be 4p square plus 4p plus 1 upon 2 into p minus 5 into p plus 1. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is x upon x plus y plus 4 upon x square plus 3xy plus 2y square and minus 3x upon x plus 2y. If we look at the denominator of the second fraction, we can see that this is the application of quadratic expression, and we have to simplify this with the help of midterm brackets. What I will be doing, I will be multiplying 2 with the coefficient of term having power 2, and that will give me the product 2. I have to make the prime factors of 2. The factors of 2 are 2 and 1 only. I have to set the factors in such a way that when I'm adding or subtracting, I have to get 3, and when I'm multiplying, I'm getting 2. So the possible choice will be 2 plus 1. Coming to the solution, I can write it x upon x plus y plus 4 upon x square plus 2xy plus xy plus 2y square minus 3x upon x plus 2y. Now what we have to do, we have to make the groups of like terms from the denominator of the middle fraction and extract some number or letter as a common factor. So the next step will be x upon x plus y plus 4, and from the first group what we can do, we can pull out x. Inside the bracket I will left with x plus 2y. Coming to the second group, I can extract y out, and inside the bracket I will left with x plus 2y. And the last fraction will be as it is, minus 3x upon x plus 2y. Now first simplify the denominator of the middle fraction completely. 4 upon x plus 2y is the common group, extract it out, x plus 2y into x plus y upon minus 3x into x plus 2y. Now it's the time to decide about the LCM. LCM of this question will be, first denominator is x plus y, the second is x plus 2y, and the middle one is x plus y into x plus 2y. So the LCM of this question will be x plus y into x plus 2y. After writing the LCM, we have to go back to each fraction one by one and see what is the denominator of first fraction and what is the LCM. Denominator of first fraction is x plus y, but LCM is x plus 2y. It has a deficiency of x plus 2y, so I will multiply the numerator by x plus 2y plus 4. This will be as it is. Coming to the third part, that is minus 3x. Now the denominator is x plus 2y, but the LCM contains one more term, that is x plus y. So 3x will be multiplied by x plus y to complete the deficiency. Now after this, what we have to do, we have to apply distributive property, that multiply this x with every term inside the bracket carefully, and same for this 3x, multiply them carefully, and my expression will take the form x square plus 2xy plus 4 minus 3x square minus 3xy upon x plus y into x plus 2y. Now numerator is containing like terms like x square minus 3x square, 2xy minus 3xy. Write them, these like terms together. Expression will take the form x square minus 3x square plus 2xy minus 3xy plus 4, because we do not have any other constant, write it at the end, and denominator upon x plus y into x plus 2y. Now x square minus 3x square will give me minus 2x square. 2xy minus 3xy will give me minus xy plus 4 upon x plus y into x plus 2y. X plus 2y. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.